Hey guys, today we're checking out British Airways Galleries Club Lounge in London Heathrow Airport in Terminal 5 on the south side. The Galleries Club Lounge is really big, but it also gets really busy. But on the flip side, British Airways has done a really good job making sure that there's numerous amounts of bars, water stations, and plenty of food to go around. British Airways has decked this lounge out with numerous amounts of seating options. My favorite though is to sit at the bar that overlooks the tarmac. I honestly could sit here for hours. Towards the entrance of the lounge, there's a newspaper and magazine section, and this thing is stacked up. Can't miss it because it's got those glowing blue lights. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 bars that are stacked to the brim of drinks. One thing that is kind of hit and miss though is the champagne. Sometimes they're reluctant to keep that thing fully stocked. But there's no shortage of drinks. From canned sodas to beers to a full self-service bar, you can almost make any cocktail that you'd want. The water station's also huge. They have sparkling water and still water. Also, if you notice, there's a couple dirty plates around. This lounge does get busy, and I don't hide anything. I shoot as I see it. The coffee station's really big and huge. From different styles of coffee to tea bags, this thing has it all. And these machines are pretty cool too. Like I said earlier, the British Airways Galleries Club Lounge is stacked full of drinks. This is yet another self-service soft drink and water station. And the glasses are stacked to the brim too. This is also the entrance to the food. My final thoughts on this club is I really like it. I think British Airways did a great job on the Galleries Club. There's so many drink options and there's so much food options, from cold to hot, fresh fruit, and I love the English breakfast in the morning. There's really not much more you could ask from this club. I think it's really good and I can't wait to go back. Well, that's the end of this little review / tour of the British Airways Galleries Club Lounge in London Heathrow Airport in Terminal 5 on the south side. As always, if you like it, thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. If you have any comments, leave it below. And we'll see you on the next one.